we've come into Lubeck, the city of Lubeck, and we've got a park here. You can see Smurf in the background, and it's €2 for an hour, and we've paid for 3 hours. So we've left the dogs in. It's a rainy day. Oscar's still got his little leg problem, and Sophie doesn't like the rain. So they're happy to stay in the van and settle down. There is another Stellplatz just over here behind me in this direction, which is free, we understand. We're not sure about that, but we've opted for this one. Lots of space in this one. If you want to do a 24-hour period, it's €10. I don't know if there's water and waste disposal. It's a car park. We're only here for the daytime, and we're heading into the old town, or the old city of Lubeck. And already along the road here we can see the twin spires of one of the old buildings. We're going to cut across the road here and see if we can get the other side of the river. Looks like they do river cruises here. On a warm sunny day I would imagine that would be more appealing, but some lovely yachts and tall ships here. Let's see if we can get a shot of them. Yeah. And we're with Bob and Jenny Earnshaw and Sue. We've got 3 hours to explore Lubeck. Everywhere you look there's lovely buildings, and just across here there's another one with towers as well. We've come inside now, and everywhere you look it's stunning. And this is the front of the old workhouse building that we looked at from the other side, next to the cathedral. Well, we're parked in Lidl's and we're doing a shop in near Lubeck, and it's about time. It's been another 4 or 5 days since we've been shopping, so I'll show you where we've parked. We chose the corner of the car park here because we can, with our little TD overhang and the bikes on the back, we could hang over the grass, and Bob and Jenny were right in the middle over there. They've been boxed in a bit, but I think the people that were next to them are now coming back, so we should be able to get out all right. Let's see what Sue's up to. I think she's putting things in the fridge. Bit of a jigsaw puzzle, Sue.
Yeah.
She's in there sorting stuff out. Strangely enough, we couldn't get any kitchen roll. What else? What was the other thing we couldn't get in little?
Oh, rice cakes.
Rice cakes, because I can't eat bread. So we either have rice cakes. I couldn't get any of those either. Never mind.
Did you get most of the stuff?
Most stuff we got, didn't we? And we got 1 or 2 little treats and 1 or 2 little unusual things. Yeah, very good.
I guess I've got to go away.
We've been at this campsite for 2 nights and it's been quite nice. Things we like about the campsite is it's very quiet, and we are near a road, but there's only a small amount of traffic up and down. It's a very relaxed campsite. There's no pitch markings, there's electric boxes and taps and so on, and you can pretty much choose your spot. You can see where other people during the summer have been pitched because the grass is a little bit marked where ground sheets have been. But other than that, you know, the grass is pretty good. It was a little bit wet down by our vans here yesterday because we had quite a rainstorm in the night for several hours. But we've come back to the pitch after being out yesterday, and the ground has firmed up. So it's well drained, I would say, anyway. I like the trees, lots of trees around. There's a little breeze this morning and it's cooler. We're noticing the temperature drop now. What's the date today? It is the 10th of September. So we're in the 2nd week of September now, and we're heading north, so we should expect the temperatures to drop just a little. There's a gate here with a dog bin, which is really useful for us, and there's quite a few seasonal or static touring vans over on the other side of the park. Seems that the campsite or the caravan park is on 2 sides of the street. The other side seems to be park homes and more permanent holiday homes, whereas this side's more for camping and for seasonals. So it's quite nice. The facilities are okay. It is quiet now. I think we've come sort of into the out of season period, so it's fairly quiet. There's a little shop and there is a restaurant here which we haven't used, but you know, it all seems fairly tidy. The facilities are okay. They're okay. I mean, they're usable, but they're fairly basic, and they're clean and tidy, I think, you know, from what I've seen anyway. We're going to move off this morning. We're going to head further north, and today is the day that we enter Denmark. We are going to stop off on the way, and we've picked a castle location. Not sure that we'll go in the castle, but we're going to park nearby, and that will be our lunchtime spot where we can walk the dogs and enjoy that. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've stuck with us this long through our lovely visit to Lubeck yesterday, really enjoyed that. Lovely day out and some history in that city. It's a really beautiful place. If you've stuck with us that long, we hope you'll return on the next one. So we'll see you then, a little further north in Denmark. Can't wait. Bye for now. Just look how pretty this is, with the well in the centre. And the houses, coloured houses and buildings.